Guys, welcome to my channel. This is part 3 of my YD100 motorized bike build. Reverse cylinder. Everything's case matched. It's to the cylinder and it's flowing real nice. This is the position the pipe's going to be in. I used the factory header, just cut off a few inches. That there's a little bend right around here. Good thing I did, because when I cut it open, there was a mini pipe shoved in the bend. It was stupid. I don't see how they're gonna make power with a pipe that crappy on the inside from the factory. But just did little cuts to get this to fit on there. Cut it inward a little bit and grind some welds down. So it was for like a 45mm spacing, and I had to bring it in to a 40mm spacing, which worked good. It's not tight on there, but this is welded up. Shine my light around it. No light coming through. This is just tacked on for now, but I cut this. It was over here and I moved it out. It's alright. I could bring it in a little bit. Maybe that was just one or two tacks holding in. Got the factory muffler header bolted to my PZ22 carburetor. I did the same little side cuts on it as I did for this header, but it needed wider instead of closer on that. This hose, there's about an inch that I could take out if I want to. That's yeah, cut my finger. Used just some fuel hose. This isn't radiator hose, and should be alright. It's about 6 inches, I guess. I can take off about an inch of it if I need to. And for the front mounting, I just used the front of my highway bar peg from my motorcycle and a clamp in the back. I went to try to put it on here. I tightened it up, and the other half of this thing, the little ears, they were skinnier though, and tightened up, and one of them snapped. But that's the flow of it. It's real nice. Try to get it steady here. Seems pretty good. And other than that, I got a steel rim in the shed. I'm gonna put my 44 tooth on it. This aluminum rim's bent. It's got a little bend in it. And find me a rear brake. I have an alligator set of alligator pads that I'll put on the regular C brake. And I ground down the rear mount back here to get the, because it's at an angle. I don't know if you can see it there. There's a little gap at the bottom, but 3/4 of that I reground to get the flow of the frame. At least 3/4 of it's flush with the frame, so this front alone would hold the dang motor still. It's so solid. But I'll be running a stock plug in it, rejet the carburetor, and a few other little things. Put my gas tank on it. Set up the throttle and stuff. Clutch lever. Should be about ready to run after that. Probably be another day or two, doing little by little each day. Not trying to rush it, not in a hurry too, but that's it for now. This was part 3. Subscribe for more. Part 4 and 5 should be coming up soon. Later.